I could just already see me styling this with gold accessories. Like I already feel the summer vibes coming out of this bag. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time viewing one of my videos, my name is Elle Morgan and I create content to help better your lives in some way, whether that's entertaining you or giving you tips on things you did not know about. You know, I am here for you. Okay, so become a BFF and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. So let's get to the video. All right, so this is one of my favorite types of videos to do. I am doing a thrift haul today. I want to share with you guys some things that I purchased from my most recent thrift visit, which was Saturday. This past Saturday, I went to 2 thrift stores and I spent under 40 bucks for all of these items I'm going to show you guys today. So let's get into it. I'm going to just do it by like store. I didn't separate items. So yeah, so this is the first store that I went to and they had this little, they had this 2-piece set. Now I've gotten more into looking at the actual suiting. When I go to thrift stores, I usually just look at the blazers, but looking at the actual 2-piece and looking more into the dresses, because in the past I would like skip that whole section. But I decided to really just kind of start looking more into that too. But I found this purple 2-piece that I will show you guys what it looks like on. But I thought this would be really fun to play around with. I've been attracted to a lot of purple lately. I don't know what that means. Like all shades of purple I've been really drawn to, or I just find myself buying a lot of. But I thought this would be fun to experiment with and just have in my wardrobe. I think this will be, you know, fun to, you know, spice it up a little bit, because sometimes you can get a little tired of what you have and, you know, you just need a little flavor to throw in the mix. So yeah, got that one, and that one was actually $6. The next thing is these shorts. These are a size small and these were $3. And these are like like the abstract print and very loosely fitted, nice and flowy, which is great for the summertime. Get a nice breeze going, you know what I'm saying, ladies? Nice little breeze. For real though. But yeah, so but what I think I'm gonna do is probably cut it off just a little bit, because it is long, so I want to just a tiny bit shorter, so I'll probably hem those as well. And it does come with pockets, which is always a plus, especially when you have toddlers. So yeah, definitely excited about that. And the last thing I got from that store were these mom jeans by Gina Tay, something like that. But I remember this brand as a kid. But yeah, this brand here, and these actually fit me pretty good. They're not as baggy as some as the other pair that I have. So this one I might actually distress, might do something a little different to it, because I already got a pair that's just like plain. So I think I want to jazz these up a bit. So I am excited about this. I'm always excited when I can find some jeans at the thrift store that fit well or fit good enough, because they are hard to come by. Especially since this is kind of like a trend still, like the high waist mom jeans. So it's kind of hard to come by sometimes. Only spent 12 bucks at that store. $12. So from the next store, I don't have a ton of things from there either. But yeah, believe it or not, like the thrift stores, they were looking a little bare. Like definitely been picked over. So I don't know. I want to start with this handbag because it's out of the bag already. But I found this handbag here with the elephants and stuff on it. I thought this would be such a good summer bag just because of the color, the fabric, the wooden handle. Like I could just already see me styling this with gold accessories. Like I already feel the summer vibes coming out of this bag. Like honestly, yes. And also for the fall too, because it is still good color for the fall. But just, I don't know, something about it. I was like, yeah, this gotta go home with me. This one was $6.99. And it was pretty, and it's pretty new. Like it's really clean. No pin marks, no stains or nothing like that. Like, I don't think this has been used at all. So I am excited to style this. This is gonna be a lot of fun. I have a trip coming up to Miami, so I might style this with one of my looks. So I'm ready to rock this bag for sure. So the next thing is a belt. Now this definitely looks like it went to something, but I like the print and the gold detailing on the buckle part here, because I thought this would be nice to put with something that was just a solid like outfit. Like if I had like a denim jumpsuit or something, I thought this would be nice to make that pop, and then maybe do one of the colors that are in this belt for a shoe or something like that. I just feel like this would be a nice little accent piece to just, you know, pull my whole look together. But yeah, this one was $2.99. Okay, the next two items are blouses. So this one this one is actually by Talbot's, and it's a green and white polka dot shirt. Now I thought this would be good, wait for it, with this possibly. Like I feel like something could really happen with these two. So this is gonna be fun to play around with, to see how this all plays out. And I'm sure it'll make its way onto my Instagram or my TikTok. So you guys make sure you follow me on those social media platforms as well. The last item I have is this satin silky brown blouse that has this scoop neck here, which I'm not really 100% sure about, but you know, we'll see. But I thought this would be just a nice color for the summer, possibly. Well, I don't know, depending on where I'm going, because if I'm going to be outside, I probably wouldn't wear this. If I'm going to be an outside event, because it will probably get really hot and sticky. So maybe more so for the fall. I just think this is a nice color and a nice fabric for that. So that would be nice to pair with different camos and tans. And I actually have a tan bag that's coming in, I'm super excited about, but I'm gonna wait until later to talk about that, because I think I want to do a whole unboxing either here or on my other social media platforms. But it's on the way and I'm excited. It's my birthday gift to myself, so we'll talk about that later. But yes, I think this will be really nice to definitely do with gold accessories. A very nice rich color. So that's all I have for this video. I know it wasn't a whole lot of pieces, but I'm excited about what I found. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys follow me on all my social media networks so you can possibly see these outfits on there, because more likely I'll be posting them there, or I might end up doing a video here. Who knows? Don't forget to shop my store at 107thandlux.com. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.